Hello friends, I welcome you all on the platform. Don't memorize, just clear the concepts. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to move on the exercise number 2.4. This exercise deals with the word problems. So, coming to the learning outcomes, after having this video lesson, you would be able to understand the word problems in a better way. You would be able to understand the statement in a better way. You would be able to convert the word problems into the linear equations. You would be able to solve the similar kind of problems in your normal life. So, without getting late, let's get started. Hello friends, I welcome you all in our new class. Today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise number 2.4, that is solving word problems. In this exercise we are given the word problems and we have to make linear equations from those word problems. So now let us move on and check it out how we can solve these kind of problems. Here we are with our very first statement, that is Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. Now, the result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Now, what number Amina has thought? We don't know. So, let us suppose that number be x. Now, our statement says that Amina subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So, let us do. So, then it would become x minus 5 upon 2. She multiplies the result by 8. So, we got the result x minus 5 upon 2. Now, we would multiply this by 8 because it's given in our statement that Amina multiplies the result by 8. Now, after multiplying these two terms, the result obtained is 3 times the same number she has thought of. So, we can write it that 8 into x minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3x, because she had thought the number x and we made it 3 times. Okay, now we can write it like the way we would multiply 8 with x and multiply 8 with 5 upon 2, applying the distributive property here. We got 8x minus 8 multiplied by 5 upon 2 is equal to 3x. Now simplifying, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Here it would come 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20. So our equations become 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now the variable is on both the sides of the equation. We would shift this 3x to the left hand side and 20 to the right hand side, but we would change their sign. We know that when we shift any variable or a constant to the other side, we change its sign. So it would become 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. We got, solving this, 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 20 upon 5. Solving this, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. We got x is equal to 4. So, like the way we found out the number that Amina has thought of. Okay, isn't it great? Yes, Amina has thought the number 4. And what the clue she gave us? We find the answer from all those clues. So, now let us move on to our next problem. Here is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now, what is a 2-digit number? Now, we don't know that 2-digit number. Just for understanding, we assume any 2-digit number. Let us say it's 46. Here 6 is at 1's place and 4 is at 10's place. So, we can write it 10 into 4 plus 6. It would become 46. Now, if we interchange these numbers, it would become 64. And we would write it 10 into 6 plus 4. We can write it like the way. Because now x is in 1's place and 6 is at 10's place. So, the number which is in the 1's place, we would write it as such, but the number which is on the 10's place, we would write it 10 in the multiple of 10. Okay. Now, let us take the 2-digit number. The one number on the unit place, let us suppose that it's y. So, the other digit on the 10's place would be 10x. Got it? Why it is 10x? Because this x is at 10's place. We would write it 10x. Okay. Now, it's given in the statement that sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit numbers sum is 9. We can write it that x plus y is equal to 9. This becomes our equation number 1. If we watch this number, that the sum of digits of these numbers is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. But in our statement, the sum of the digits of two number is 9. So, we made the equation that is x plus y is equal to 9. This is our equation number 1. Now, according to question, if we interchange the digits, it would become 10y plus x. Earlier, it was 10x plus y. But when we interchange the digits, it becomes 10y plus x. It's given in our question that this number is 27 greater than the number formed earlier. This number is greater than the number formed earlier by 27. It means if we subtract these two numbers, there would be answer 27. The new number is, after interchanging the digits, the new number is 10y plus x minus, before interchanging the digits, it was 10x plus y. By subtracting, we would get the answer 27. Okay. Now, we would solve this. We got 10y plus x minus plus minus minus 10x minus plus minus minus y is equal to 27. Now 9y 10x minus y, it would come out to be 9y x minus 10x is equal to minus 9x, 10 minus 1 9, but 10 is with negative sign, bigger number is with negative sign, so it would come minus 9x. Now dividing both sides by 9, we get y minus x is equal to 3. This is our equation number 2. Now adding equation number 1 and 2, we get x plus y minus x is equal to 9 plus 3. Now x got cancelled with x because it's with positive sign, it's with negative sign. We got 2y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 12 upon 2. Solving this, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. We got y is equal to 6. Now put the value of y in either of the equation. You can put it in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Why we would put this equation in this value in equation number 1 or 2? Because after putting the value of y, we would find out the value of x. So let us substitute it in equation number 1. The equation number 1 was x plus y is equal to 9, because we were given that the sum of these two digits is equal to 9. Now we substituted the value of y, that is equal to 6. We got x plus 6 is equal to 9. Now x is equal to 9 minus 6. We got x is equal to 3. But the number was 10x plus y, that is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 plus 6 is equal to 36. So this was the required number. What was that number? That was 36. Now for fun, let us interchange the digits. Then it would become 63, and it was given in our question that this 63 is 27 bigger than 36. Now let us subtract 36 from 63. We got 27. Oh yes, this was it. We got the right answer. So like the way you can recheck your answers. Okay, isn't it interesting? It is. Now let us move on to our next problem. Here it is. Shoboz's mother's present age is 6 times Shoboz's present age. Shoboz's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Oh, don't worry, it's super easy. Let us suppose this is Shobo and this is Shobo's mother. Okay, now we don't know Shobo's present age. So let us suppose that Shobo's present age is X years. And the Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So let us make it 6 times. So Shobo's mother's present age is equal to 6x years. Okay. But Shobo's age 5 years from now. From now, if the Shobo's present age is x years, then after 5 years, what would be its age? X plus 5 years. Okay. So we can write it that after 5 years, Shobo's age is equal to x plus 5. Shobo's is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3, we made it 1/3 of her mother's present age, because it would be 1/3 of Shobo's mother's present age. What is Shobo's mother's present age? That is 6x. So, solving this, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We got x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Now, shifting 2x to the left hand side, we got x minus 2x is equal to, we shifted 5 to the right hand side, so it would become with negative sign, it became minus 5. Solving this, x minus 2x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 5. Minus minus got cancelled, so x is equal to 5. Now, what is x? We had assumed that Shobo's present age is x. Now, we have found that x is equal to 5. So, we got that Shobo's present age is 5 years. And Shobo's mother's present age is 6x. So, we got 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. So, like the way we got the ages of both Shobo and Shobo's mother. This is Shobo's age is 5 years and Shobo's mother's age is 30 years. Okay.
So now we are going to move on next problem. Here we go. Hassan buy two kind of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. It means that he sells the shirts at profit 12% and trousers at profit 10%. His total sale is 36,600 rupees. Here is misprinting. Here is 36,600 rupees. How much trouser material did he buy? We have to find out that how much trouser material did he buy. Now, Hassan uses 3 meter cloth for shirt. For one shirt, he uses 3 meter cloth, and for one trouser, he uses 2 meter cloth. For every 3 meter shirt, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. For every 3 meter shirt, he buys 2 meter of trouser material. It means number of shirts and trousers are equal. He is making sets of both. One shirt is equal to one trouser. So, but how many shirts and trousers? Let us suppose of shirts, the number of shirts be X. Since the number of shirts and trousers are equal, so the number of trousers would also be equal to X. Now, the cloth used to make all shirts. The cloth used to make one shirt was 3 meter, but we have to make X shirts, and cloth used to make all shirts, X shirts, it would be 3X. Okay, now cloth used for all trousers or X trousers we can say here also. Cloth used to make X trousers, that is 2X, because one trouser needs 2 meter cloth. Cloth needed to make all trousers would be equal to 2X meters. Now, the price of 1 meter of shirt cloth is 50 rupees, it's given. So, the cost price of all shirt cloth is would be equal to 50 multiplied by 3X is equal to 150X. 50 multiplied by 3X, we got 150X. So, the cost price of all shirts is equal to 150X. Now, the cost price of 1 meter pant is equal to 90 rupees. But we needed cloth 2X meters. So, the cloth cost price of all pants clothes is equal to 90 multiplied by 2X. 90 is the cost price of 1 meter shirt, but we needed 2X meters cloth to make all the trousers. So, 90 multiplied by 2X is equal to 180X. So, now we have find out the cost price of shirts, that is 150X, and cost price of pants. CP we have find out. Now we would find out the selling price. Okay, but he sold the shirts on 12% profit and pants on 10% profit. Now we would find out the selling price of shirts and trousers both. For this we have a formula to find out the selling price. We have a formula which is 100 plus profit upon 100 brackets close multiplied by cost price. If here is loss, then the formula would be 100 minus loss upon 100 multiplied by cost price. So, selling price of shirts is equal to 100 plus profit is 12%. So, we substituted the value here, 12 upon 100 multiplied by cost price of shirts. Now, solving this, it would become 112 upon 100 multiplied by 150X. Now, solving this, 52 is 100 and 53 is 150. Now, 2 1s are 2, dividing 1 by 2, 112 with 2, we got 56. Multiplying 56 with 3, we got 168X. This is the selling price of shirts, 168X rupees. Now, selling price of pants. Again we have same formula, that is 100 plus profit. Here the profit is 10%. So, 100 plus 10 upon 100 multiplied by cost price of trousers. Cost price of trousers was 180x. Now adding them, we got 110 upon 100 multiplied by 180x. 0 got cancelled with 0, 0 got cancelled with 0, multiplying 11 with 18, we got 198x rupees. This is the selling price of pants. Here we got the selling price of shirts, and this is the selling price of trousers. But in our question, we are given that selling price of all shirts and pants is equal to 36,600 rupees. So we can write it like the way: selling price of shirts plus selling price of trousers is equal to this. Now adding them, we got 366x is equal to 36,600. X is equal to 36,600 divided by 366. Solving it, we got x is equal to 100. Now what is x? It is the number of shirts and pants. We have assumed that the number of shirts and pants is equal to x. We got the value that is equal to 100. So it means that number of shirts are 100 and number of pants are also 100. Now we can easily find out the cloth required for shirts. Cloth required for one shirt was 3 meter, and cloth required for 100 shirts, that is 3 into 100 is equal to 300 meters. And cloth required for pants is equal to 2x, that is cloth required for one pant is equal to 2 meter. How many trousers we have to make? 100. So total cloth required is equal to 200 meters. So this was asked in our question, and here is our answer. Got it? If find any kind of difficulty, then please watch this video again. You would get better understand. So thank you for now. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.